One of the biggest complaints I'm hearing recently is about having so many measurements and tracking so many things, from our balanced scorecard to our dashboards to our individual accountability, and we're setting up our meetings to look at our dashboards and look at what's red and what's yellow and what's green. But we don't seem to be making any progress. We don't seem to be having those improvements that we should be getting from all the effort that we're putting into our metrics. So what's the problem? The problem is we use metrics as an evaluation. What's on track, what's off track. And the reality is, measurement's real purpose is to tell a story that lets you know through how the measurements work with each other to determine what the root causes are for the problems that you're finding. That's keeping you stuck at whatever level of performance you're stuck in. So how do you do that? Well, you have to create correlated measurements. It's never a number here, a number there, a number here. It's not the quantity of numbers. It's how the measures are correlated to each other to let you know what the balance should be. That's what we do when we create our team accountability systems for creating a B-State organization. We develop measurements for deliverables, exactly the way you have them now with your balanced scorecard, your dashboards, all that's the same, and your projects. But we also have measurements around collective execution. How are we functioning to produce those deliverables? How are we performing between ourselves with our team habits to produce those deliverables? We measure that, and then we measure our team relationships, trust, support, communication. But the main difference is all of those measurements, deliverables, execution, and relationships, are correlated. Because when you're not getting the deliverable, I can guarantee you it's not because of the metric. It's because of the execution or the relationships that aren't allowing you to achieve that metric. And that's where we discover what the root cause is based on the correlation between execution and relationships as they're linked to the deliverables. So, call us. Let's talk about your system of measurement and how that can be augmented to assist you in identifying root causes when deliverables are off track, so that we don't keep spinning our wheels from meeting to meeting to meeting. We get right to the root cause very quickly, creating change fast in months, not years.